Hey, what's up guys? It's Reza with Starving Videographer, and I am bringing you a brand new video featuring the unboxing of the Kondor blue cage for the Sony Alpha A7S III. As you can see, I have my A7S III right here wrapped in beautiful Blue Mamba by Lifeguard. It also has the 85mm f1.8 from Sony in Blue Mamba and the legendary fastest prime for Sony E-mount, the Sigma f1.2 35mm. Also wrapped in Blue Mamba. It's my favorite color. And as you can tell, the reason why I picked the Kondor blue cage is one, because they're an incredible company built by filmmakers for filmmakers. Two, because they designed their products with us in mind, knowing what some of our challenges are and how to design to work with those challenges. And three, they just happen to use this beautiful blue color that accents the A7S perfectly. So I'm super excited to have this cage to help me rig my video gear and also to help me shoot more handheld because it adds some more heft. So let's take a look. And as we open the box here, this is the cage for the A7S III. I ordered it with some extra goodies, which we'll go over. Right here we have the sign cap and the rosette handle here. And as you can tell already, the high-speed HDMI cable braided in this beautiful blue color as well. So I use the Atomos recorders, and this is going to be a perfect complement. Goes well with the whole color scheme. It's high-speed, it's braided, and it's way cheaper than getting the Atomos cable. So I did get that. They also have it in a coiled version if you guys want to check that out. As you continue, you see this beautiful sticker that you can put on your rolling case. They provide that in the box. And lifetime warranty, another reason why Kondor Blue is so amazing. Their products are covered by a lifetime warranty, so just go ahead and register your product and you have peace of mind for the lifetime of your product. Let's continue into the box. It's packaged really nicely. You've got some nice foam covering all your parts. And then as you get into the box, you see how it's laid out really nice, and you begin to see some of the incredible build quality here. Everything is machined aluminum. We see the Kondor Blue logo right there. And this is the top part of the cage. It has a Arca Swiss plate right here. Or sorry, this is a NATO rail where the handle, which is also another beautiful piece, completely machined out of a piece of solid aluminum. And it has a really nice grip underneath. So when you're holding it, it has the grooves for your fingers, and it has a start-stop button. So once the cage is put together, I can easily get low angle shots and just shoot my shot from low with that stop record. That gets plugged in right here on the side and then plugged into your camera. So I'll show you the cables that come with that, but you can see it comes packaged really nice with the parts, and then you just put it together. So let's look at what else is in the box. We have a 15mm rail. I believe this is 15mm. That can be used on this part of your handle. So you can put it in here, and it's easy. You just loosen it, slide your rail through, and now you have an additional place to mount a monitor or anything that you might need offset. So that's another really cool piece. Also very beautiful in this really nice metallic gray colorway. So you got the handle, you got the 15mm rail that comes out of there. And let's see, what else do we have? This is the base plate. It's one of the biggest reasons why I was initially attracted to Kondor Blue, in addition to the beautiful design that they have. This is super awesome. So if you have your camera all rigged up in a cage, you can easily take it in and out using this Arca Swiss plate here, which also happens to have a safety latch. So once I have it all built, you'll see how easily I can just slide my camera in and out of the cage just using Arca Swiss. So I'm super excited about that. Just goes in the bottom, snaps closed, and then you can easily take it in and out. Also on the bottom, you have plenty of quarter 20 and the bigger size hole there to mount your, wherever you want to mount it on your fluid head or whatever the case may be. So this is the bottom of the base plate. And then this is the side piece. So this right here gets attached to the side, and it also has a NATO rail. This is NATO rail support right here, with plenty of quarter 20s, and you've got your RA locating pins everywhere. So this is going to be the side piece. And then what else do we get? Another one of the side pieces. So that was the left, and this is probably the right here. You can see it's got this nice form-fitted groove. This like matches the shape of the side of the body right there. Also beautifully machined, as you can see, with tons of mounting options for your quarter 20s. And then what else do we have? We have our cables. So the cables in here are for the start, stop, record. We have ourselves the classic Sony multi-cable. There's one there. And then I believe this one is 3.5 to 3.5. So we'll figure out where that goes as well. But those are the two cables. And then Kondor also includes this little Allen key, which is no big deal. It's just an Allen key that you use to put the different parts of the cage together. So you also get this really cool little tool to tighten all of your quarter 20s and anything else. It's also, you can see there, branded with Kondor blue, which is really cool. Let's take that out and take a look. So you can see it right there. It's got the Kondor blue branding on it right there. So that's pretty cool. They also provide that. And so let's go ahead and lay everything out here so you can see the contents of the entire cage. So there's your base plate. Here is the top plate. Here's our handle with start, stop. And there is one side and the other side right there. So that is your entire Kondor blue cage. And of course, you got your Allen key right there, and then the two cables. So that is the contents of the cage itself. So now, oh, sorry, I forgot one last piece. There we go. That's the little tool. So now we're gonna take a look at some of the additional goodies, which I also ordered. This was one of the first things that I noticed about Kondor Blue a while back, thanks to Armando Fiera. So shout out Armando. This was one of the first things about Kondor Blue that I caught on YouTube, which is the sign cap. It looks so amazing. It's beautifully machined. It has the Kondor logo, and again, it goes really, really nicely with the A7S accent colors, especially with the blue mamba. So I'm super excited to put that on. So let's go ahead and put that on together so you guys can see what that looks like. So here is our A7S III with the standard Sony sensor cover. I'm gonna just go ahead and remove that. And it also has the marking right there. You can see the little white marking where my index finger is. Just line that up with your camera and twist into place, and it gives this beautiful, satisfying latch. I don't know if you guys heard that, but let's try it again. So you get that, and then it just latches right on, and wow, does that look gorgeous. Come on, guys, that looks amazing. So that's the sign cap. We're gonna put that to the side for a second and see what else we have. In addition to the sign cap, I also got this bad boy right here, which is the rosette side handle. So we have a top handle that allows us to stop and start the recording, but this is a rosette for the side, which is super exciting. It's gonna go on the right side of the cage when it's attached. So I'll have a top handle, and then I'll have the side rosette handle for additional stability. Again, you can see the beautiful machine design. The grip itself feels amazing, really nicely made. We have a little quick release latch right here, so you can rotate it. All of this stuff I'll be showing you guys once I have it assembled in the next video, so be sure to follow along and don't miss the full build out of the A7S III cage with Kondor Blue. But this is a gorgeous piece. I'm super excited to get this on the side and shoot more handheld. So again, let's take one last look at the rosette. See it there with this beautiful, easy, quick release mechanism. So you got your quarter 20 on the bottom, more mounting options. So that was the other piece. It also comes with an Allen key. So in case you guys care about that, it's just more tools. They think about everything and make sure to provide you everything you need to get your kit up and running easily, not scrambling for tools or anything like that. So that's the actual rosette handle. And then this piece right here is the rosette that actually goes on the cage and marries up with that handle. So another beautiful, simplistic but highly useful piece that is machined for the rosette. So you got these two screws right here, and you just screw that wherever you want on your cage to where you want your rosette. So again, I will show that to you guys when we get to the full build of the A7S III cage from Kondor Blue. So from cables to beautiful sign caps to incredible cages that are purpose built with the videographer in mind, you can easily Arca Swiss in and out onto a gimbal, onto a tripod, whatever the case may be. I am so excited and can't wait to show you guys the final build out of this beautiful A7S III cage by Kondor Blue. So if you like this, don't forget to hit me with a like, follow and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the full build of the Kondor Blue cage.